Is bar oil leaking from your saw? The problem could be a bad oil cap assembly. The oil cap is the one on the front of the saw where you add the bar oil. The cap assembly consists of the cap itself, an O-ring to seal the cap, and a lanyard so the cap is not lost. There are a few different problems that are common with the oil cap assembly. The O-ring will eventually wear out, crack, or break apart. This will cause oil to leak from the cap. If the cap is over-tightened, the threads will be stressed and often will break off of the cap. The lanyard will sometimes break off of the cap as well. Replacing the oil cap assembly is a simple repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. The oil cap is the cap at the front of the saw, the one closest to the bar. I'll remove the cap by unscrewing it from the saw. Now if the threads had broken off of your cap, you would need to use a pair of pliers or maybe a screwdriver to remove the threads from the housing. Once the cap is unscrewed from the saw, I can pull out the lanyard. Just bend the two halves of the lanyard together and pull it from the saw. Now I can install the new oil cap. I'll begin by pressing the two halves of the lanyard together and inserting it back into the tank. Now I can thread the oil cap into the tank. You'll notice the O-ring here, and the O-ring is actually what makes the seal. So I just need to thread it in tight enough so that that O-ring seals around the housing.